Hello everyone! Welcome to my video. I'm Stella from Stellar Crafts. How are you today? In today's video, we are going to work on a crochet order together and other things too. Let's see where the day takes us. So let's start. Come with me. I would love to have your company. I just got an order from my Etsy shop and I have to make a cat ear beanie, just like this one, but in a different color. I have made cat ear beanies in so many different colors. Look at that. But I've never made one in this green shade that the customer chose. And that's exciting. It's my first time making one in that color. The color chosen was spring green, and I use a 5mm crochet hook. And I use a number 4 medium worsted weight acrylic yarn. This is a brand new skein. Okay, let's start. I have to make approximately 36 chains. But I have a template here, so I can kind of have an idea of the length of the hat here. So yeah, I like to always have a template because sometimes the yarn thickness, even though it's the same yarn, it changes. And then I make 36 chains and it looks small or it looks too big. And I'm like, oh, I don't know. So that's why I have the template. Alright, this should be enough because it stretches. I'm just going to make one extra chain because it's the chain I use to turn my work here and start the first row. All good, I don't need you anymore. Thank you for your help. I have some cute things staring at me. Look at that. 4 cute cats. And the tutorial for the small ones here is already available on my channel. This is the green yarn I used to make froggy bucket hats. So it's gonna be nice to see this yarn used in a beanie, right? It's gonna be a froggy cat ear beanie or a cat ear beanie froggy. What do you think? This is a very easy and quick beanie pattern. So look at that. I'm almost halfway done. Let me show you. Look at that. And I have a tutorial for this already in my channel. And I'll leave the link on the description and on the cards too. It's very easy to make. It's just back loop only, half double crochets. And you have to make a rectangle. So this is the height and this is gonna be the circumference of the head. And then you just sew the side and the top. This is also called a sack hat. And then when you wear it, you see the little cat ears sticking out. Super cool, right? Super interesting. You make a rectangle and then you sew it in a square and then it becomes a cat ear beanie. Amazing. I always say crochet is amazing. So many cats today, look at that. Cat vibes. Beanies, amigurumis. So I'll put this aside now for a little bit because it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna go and eat something. And then after lunch, I hope to finish this completely. I wanna finish this order today. All right, I just wanna finish this row here and then I'll go for lunch. There you go. Look at how it is. Oh my, what is this mess here? I'll have to cut this off and remove that part. It looks so bad. Look at that. I usually like to work these cat ear beanies in one take, but did you see how the yarn was in that point? So bad, so I had to cut it off and reattach the yarn. What can I do, right? Not my fault. So now I have more than one end to weave in, because usually it's just one end to weave in, so it's super easy. That's okay, not so bad. At least we have a solution, right? For the problem. Okay, it's getting big. Let me just finish this row and I'll show you. All right, let's get to work. Let's finish this. We are almost done. Look at that. The customer requested this beanie to be 23 inches in circumference, but I don't need to get all the way to 23 because it stretches. So I have to go at approximately 20 to 21 inches. Look at that. The rectangle is done. Now I have to close it. So I make slip stitches here and here. Okay guys, I'm all done with the green bucket hat. Look at that, looking nice. What's next now? Okay, so I also have someone asking me on Facebook Marketplace if I have a froggy bucket hat available. Well, I don't, but I can crochet one. So let's do it. And then I have it ready if the person decides to buy it, right? So I have the green yarn here and it's the same yarn that I was using before, but the crochet hook is going to be different. It's going to be a 4mm crochet hook, so it's a smaller crochet hook. Yeah, and I have to look up my own tutorial to kind of remind me on how to make them, because I forgot. Well, I have an idea, but I don't remember the exact numbers, so I have to look that up. There you go, I'm working on the froggy bucket hat. And this video could be making everything green. And then also, I want to tell you something. It's so hard to switch hook sizes, right? What I mean is that I was working with a bigger hook size, so I was used to it, and now I have to work with a smaller hook size, and it's difficult to adapt. It takes some time. Does that happen to you too? So I have time to work on one more round and then I have to go do something and hopefully I can continue later. I want to be able to finish the bucket hat today, but I'll keep working on the next days and I'll show you. Let's see, I lost count here. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, increase. 1, 2, 3, increase. Okay, good. It's correct. But also, let me see. Did I make half double crochets or double crochet? I think I made a double crochet. It's wrong. I think I'll start again. All right, so I'll focus now. Good morning, it's the next day, and this is how much work I have put into my bucket hat last night. So I have to go out now. I'm going to the grocery store and I'll take my project with me so I can work on my way there. So let's go! I'm almost done with the brim of the hat. I'm just finishing the last round of the brim, and then the main part of the hat is going to be done. We just have to make the 2 eyes. Exciting! Okay, I just have to make a few slip stitches here to close the brim. Let me show you. I have to weave in the ends still, but let me just show you the hat. This is my bucket hat without the eyes. It's also cute like this. You don't need to add the froggy eyes if you don't want to. Hi guys! So look, I'm all done. Here's the cat ear beanie and here's the bucket hat. Which one is your favorite? I would love to hear your opinion. And which one are you making? Also tell me in the comments. So, this is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed it. It was inspirational and that you make a froggy bucket hat or a cat ear beanie or both. Thank you so much for watching my video. And I would love to see you in my future videos. So if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. It's free and I post many nice tutorials. Thank you again and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.